Switch Interact. AI can turn your lights on. Lights on. And drive your car. And even write your kid's essay. But AI ain't gonna fix your broken water line or pay for the big repair bill. Having a plan from HomeServe offers real solutions. And when a covered system breaks, we'll send a qualified contractor and pay for the repair. There's nothing artificial about the peace of mind you get with a plan from HomeServe. Getting one's quite intelligent. Plans from HomeServe start at just $4.99 a month. Call 1-877-566-0726 or visit HomeServe.com. NetCredit is here to say yes to a personal loan or line of credit, even when other lenders won't. Apply online in minutes and get funds deposited the next business day or sooner. Go to netcredit.com. NetCredit. Credit with a fee. Oh, what is that musty smell? Oh, damn. Damn. Oh, damn. Hey, language. Damper traps excess moisture to eliminate musty smells. Get rid of the damp with Damp Rid. That looks really hot. It is hot. Are there any sticks? No? Sure. Here we go. It's time to push your limits. Is that a buffalo? Or that's a cat? Cross-track wilderness.
Oh my god.
Don't miss Tornado Week starting Monday at 10 on the Weather Channel. Barron hasn't taken a bite like that in years. Before getting his new teeth from affordable dentures and implants, he could only watch with envy as his friends munched those salty little triangles. But now, that crispy bite he's been dreaming about, it's back. Crunch away, Barron. You deserve it. Affordable dentures and implants. That's what we do. Your husband won't be a mansion, but it still deserves a $19 Pro Home Cleaner. Your cleaner will scrub everything from your toilet to your stovetop. Your whole place will be vacuumed and dusted. Honestly, you might think the price is too good to be true, but once you try it, you'll never go back to cleaning the house yourself. Pick a date, choose your cleaner, and book your first cleaning today for only $19.
Look at that chiquito. Look at the better chiquito. He's maybe watching Mimi. He's right in the current.
Hey, this is America's Morning Headquarters.
Guys, it has started.
I think it's great.
There's all sorts of things that are happening in the atmosphere.
Avoid the noise and take in the
Oh,
fresh
they
air.
stick on the current.
George, this is a great event. Wow. America's Morning Headquarters. Every morning on the Weather Channel. Watch America's